Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of the Uber app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down, then click on Settings. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down even further. And then towards the bottom, you should see the sign out button. Click on sign out and that should log you out of the Uber app. But there you have it guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone and I'll see you guys all in the next video.